Hi, Inez Simpson here, and I'm just making this little video to say hello to you and to say this is from Parksville, British Columbia and Vancouver Island. And I wanted to show you a little of my part of the world. So it's very nice here, but I'm very excited because I'm being invited to New Zealand to teach Simpson Protocol, which is a 4-day training. And it started first with the invitation from Andrew Hardwick, and I want to thank him for that. And Faye also, Faye Lette, what was her name again? Faye, she's got a triple-decker name. Faye, you know who you are. Lawland McLean. Thanks, Martin. So anyway, but now Justine Lette is arranging it for Auckland. So we'll hope to see you there because I can't wait to be in New Zealand. It's sort of been there in my time frame of my life that I wanted to be there. And now I have a chance because we're teaching in Australia, and we're going to add New Zealand on in July. So see you then, and we'll tell you a lot more about it. So just in case you want a free ebook and start to learn a little bit about the philosophy and the whole idea of what Simpson Protocol is, you can get it for free on simpsonprotocol.com. And the other thing is we'll put another video below here, and if you're really interested, then you get to know more about SP on that video. Hi, Inez Simpson here again, and I'm just showing you a little bit of our scenery here. That's downtown Parksville, where you see our high rises. They're about 4 or 5 stories high, maybe a little more. Anyway, and then in the background is Mount Aerosmith, which I told you before was my favorite mountain. And if you scope out, this is Parksville Bay. Now, when the bay goes out, it's very, very shallow, and it's very sandy. But right now, you only see the little rocks, which people love to put on the logs and make, what do they call, inukchuks. So, from here to you, love to New Zealand.